Hi everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to create GIF. Enjoy! First, what you need to do is going under the video and click on the link in the description and we can start. Second thing what you need to do is click on upload images, select your folder and all image what you need. I will do it by shortcut Ctrl A, open, and you have now upload your images. You can select the position of image in your GIF by method drag and drop. So I will drag this image, I want to here. I have selected my image in the row what I want. Now you can change canvas size. I have all the image in 512 pixels, but you can do it bigger or smaller. It's up to you. I want this. Animation speed. I usually use this 500 milliseconds, but you can do it what you want. I think 500 will be okay. Repeat times, we can do it by 2 times. And you can insert music. I will not do it, but you can do it easily. Copy link from YouTube. Now just click on the create GIF animation. Wait a second. Now you can check the final GIF and you can download this GIF. So this is my final GIF animation. I can easily click and open it. And after 2 repeating, stop on the last image. It was all for today. Thank you so much that you watched this video. If you like this video, give me a like or comment this video or subscribe my channel, and we will see you next time. Stay tuned because I will give you more life hacks with JPEGs or images. Ciao.